Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Prune Scene in 3ds Max. Right, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. You can go ahead and leave Autodesk 3ds Max opened, as we are going to download an MZP file. Okay, so as we all know, MZP files can be installed by just easily dragging and dropping the file on any of your viewports. Okay, so you can go ahead and find Prune Scene 3ds Max, just like so. Wait for it to load, and then you can go ahead and click on 3D ground. Buy the item if you want the pro version, or you can go ahead and download the shareware version right here. Okay, so click on it, wait for a download page to pop up. I'm not going to do it again because I already have it. So download it, close the browser, and then just find the MZP file that you have downloaded. Okay, so once that's done, drag and drop it, just like so, as it says here, preparing installation. So go ahead and select your language, hit on next, I accept, next, add in a toolbar if you want to. And if you want to as well, you go ahead and use HIDPI icons, install or remove, and then just click on next. Okay. Wait for the process to finish, and there will be a pop-up. Just click on yes. So here we have the pop-up toolbar. It says here installed successfully. And by the way, you can go ahead and run script from here if you want to. To close this window, press the number written in here. So mine says number 2. I'm going to click on number 2. And there you have it. You can now go ahead and clear unnecessary garbage, track notes, memory, anti-layers, junk effects, okay, if you want to, or viruses as well. You have it right here. Okay, and there you have it. That's how simple it is to install Prune Scene in 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.